Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your weekly love tarot reading, guys. So, I'll be picking cards for your general energies, for your relationship, and for your career situation for the week, guys. So, let's see what is coming up, guys. I'll be picking cards randomly. So, these are for your general energies, guys, for the week, and few more cards for your relationship first, and few more cards for your career situation. So three more cards. So these are for your career situation, guys. And I also have daily readings, guys. So if you are interested to watch daily reading, you can watch that also. So let's start with your general reading first. Let's see what is there for you guys. It's Apprentice of Spheres, the Empress in reverse, and Three of Suns. So with these cards for your general energies, Pisces, in your situation today, guys, maybe in your career or in your personal life, you are a person of great talents, interest, and you have that spirit, that good spirit. So people come to you, they want to involve you in their work. So they think of you as a good person to work with, to support them, and you are a person who puts in a lot of concentration in whatever you do. So you are a very skilled and talented person, and you are attentive, you listen to other people's suggestions, ideas, and you are a person who cooperates with other people very well. So you are a person of that uh, who indulges in teamwork. So whatever dreams, goals, or aspirations you have in your career, or it may be in your personal life, so whatever it is, you are working with people who share your dreams, who share your vision, and you are working deeply with those people. So you are a people person, you have a perfect understanding, perfect communication with each other. So that may again be the reason of success. Things are going as expected because of your good communication skills and because of your kind and good hearted spirit that you have. You are willing to work with people. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your general energies. And there is also someone, it may be your mentor or your colleague or your sibling, a woman, guys, in particular. So they are quite controlling, they are dominating you in some decisions. They want to impose their views and ideas on you. So that may stress you because you have that true love on them. So you want to listen to them, but you are unable to listen to them because their ideas and their vision is different from yours. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your general energies. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship, how your relationship is going to be this week, guys. So it is Judgment in reverse, Ace of Suns, and Ten of Stars in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, Pisces. So with these cards for your relationship, guys, you may be disappointed by something. Maybe you had a great impression on this person, what you were thinking about them may be hugely different from what you are seeing in them. So the truth is different when they are up close to you, when you are up close and personal with them. So, whatever views you have about them, that is looking like a lie today, they are not what they seem to be. They may be criticizing you in everything. So, you are finding it really difficult to find that love and understanding with this person. And maybe in this love, in this connection, you may even maybe for some of you, you may be having a child with this person. You have hastily decided to have a child with them, so today you are regretting this choice or this decision that you made for yourself and this person. So you need to work on your understanding, and you may not be sharing a great love and compatibility with this person. So some hasty decisions may be the reason for stress and worries today, guys. But whatever is the case, whatever circumstances are, I also see that you are proceeding towards some positive changes, maybe with this child coming into your life, or with some changes, new changes, maybe a change in workplace or change to a different place, or maybe a temporary break from this person. So that is working as a positive boost for you in this connection. So you things may actually change to something good, guys. So maybe for some of you, it is taking you towards some good changes in your relationship. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation. It's Five of Spheres, Cardinal of Stars, and Two of Spheres. So with these cards for your career situation, guys, you are facing lot of obstacles, and whatever the outcome is for your work, you may be seeing things unexpected. So the results are inconsistent, again worrying you, and you may also see some financial loss and lot of obstacles in the path that you are going, guys. So, and also some delays in work, maybe some projects or some path that you have chosen that may get delayed or suspended. So things are going in a negative way in your career situation. But whatever it is, you have that strength and determination, skill and talents. So you are doing your best, working to your best for things to go in the right way. You have that skill and ability, guys. So in your heart of heart, you know what you need to do, the actions to correct your situation, your career situation. So you are trying your level best to make things go in the right way, Pisces. So that is what I see, guys. So there may be troubles in your situation, but I see that perseverance and grit, strength in your heart. So you are an iron-hearted person, Pisces, working towards your bright future. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Pisces, and that is the weekly reading for y'all, guys, for this week. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you next week with another weekly reading. Bye, guys.